In this video, we are going to learn about the verb to be, when to use the verb to be, how to recognize it in its contraction form, both when hearing speech or by reading a text. This verb plays a very important role in the English language. My name is Ava. I am 10 years old. I'm from New York. My favorite color is pink. I'm a student. I'm an artist. We use the verb to be when we say our name, our age, our profession, our nationality, our feelings, and our status. Simple present of the verb to be, positive. I am. He, she, it is. We, you, they are. Here are contractions of the verb to be.
I am. I'm. He is. He's. She is. She's. It is. It's. We are. We're. You are. You're. They are. There.
Contractions are short forms of the verb to be. Contractions are mostly used when speaking, but they are also used as a relaxed form of writing. The apostrophe marks where the letters are missing. Here's an example of contractions in a text message. Activity. Go to your PDF leaflet 1.4. Watch the example and then complete the exercise. In the shaded rectangle, you have personal information of Jada Campbell. Use the verb to be to make sentences. Example. Her name is Jada Campbell. She is 34 years old.
She is a nurse.
She is Canadian. She is from Montreal. She is single. Her favorite color is blue. She is happy. This concludes part 1 of this course. I highly recommend you to watch the video a second time. Next, download the PDF's activities to complement your learning if you haven't done this already, and work on completing these exercises. You can repeat this process as many times as you feel is necessary. Good luck.